Skoda has officially taken the wraps off the all-new Peaq, and it is shaping up to be one of the most important vehicles in the brand's history. While Skoda has built a strong reputation for delivering practical, family-friendly vehicles with excellent value, the Peaq moves the company into a new territory. This is not simply a larger version of the Ioniq. It is a flagship electric sport utility vehicle designed to showcase where Skoda is heading in the coming years. The Peaq is based on the vision first introduced by the Vision 7S concept, but the production model brings that futuristic design much closer to reality. At nearly 4.9 meters in length, it becomes the largest Skoda ever produced. The generous dimensions allow buyers to choose between 5-seat and 7-seat configurations, making it one of the most versatile electric family vehicles entering the market. From the moment you see the Peaq, it is clear that Skoda wanted to make a statement. The front end adopts the company's new modern solid design language, featuring a distinctive tech deck face instead of a traditional grille. Sharp lighting elements create a unique signature both day and night, while the clean body surfaces give the vehicle a sophisticated and premium appearance. Despite its size, the Peaq has been carefully shaped to improve aerodynamic efficiency, helping maximize driving range. The biggest transformation takes place inside the cabin. Skoda has focused heavily on creating a spacious, technology-rich environment without sacrificing usability. The centerpiece is a large 13.6-inch portrait-oriented infotainment display that controls most vehicle functions. Unlike many modern vehicles, however, Skoda has retained physical controls for important functions, allowing drivers to make adjustments quickly and safely. Passenger comfort appears to have been a major priority throughout development. The Peaq offers flexible seating arrangements, folding tables, numerous storage solutions, wireless charging stations, and one of the most spacious interiors ever offered by the Czech manufacturer. Families will especially appreciate the available 7-seat layout, which provides meaningful space for passengers in the third row. Technology extends beyond entertainment and convenience. The Peaq introduces a new operating system, advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive suspension technology, and an innovative panoramic roof that can electronically adjust transparency levels. Instead of relying on a traditional sunshade, sections of the roof can become darker or lighter depending on occupant preferences and outside conditions. Power comes from multiple battery and drivetrain configurations. Early information indicates that buyers will have access to both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive versions. Battery capacities are expected to include a 63 kilowatt-hour option and a larger 91 kilowatt-hour unit. The larger battery model is projected to deliver more than 600 kilometers of range under the worldwide harmonized light vehicles test procedure cycle, making it a serious contender among long-range electric sport utility vehicles. Charging capability will also play a major role in the Peaq's appeal. While final charging specifications are still being confirmed, the vehicle is expected to support rapid charging technology that significantly reduces charging times during long-distance travel. Combined with its large battery pack and spacious interior, the Peaq is designed to serve as a true family road trip vehicle. The Peaq enters a highly competitive segment that includes vehicles such as the Kia EV9, Hyundai Ioniq 9, Peugeot E5008, and several premium electric sport utility vehicles. However, Skoda's traditional strength has always been delivering more space, practicality, and value than many competitors. If the company can maintain that formula while introducing advanced technology and strong range figures, the Peaq could become one of the most compelling electric family vehicles available. For Skoda, the Peaq represents more than just another model launch. It serves as a preview of the brand's future direction, introducing new design themes, technologies, and innovations that are likely to appear across the lineup in the years ahead. With its combination of size, practicality, advanced technology, and impressive electric driving range, the Peaq may become the vehicle that defines the next chapter of Skoda's evolution.